Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install SQL Developer on Windows 10. Type SQL Develop download in browse search bar. Click Oracle SQL Developer Downloads. First find your system type MS Info 32 in Windows search bar. Click System Information. My system type is 64 based. Click Download. Open and extract the files. Copy SQL Developer folder and paste it into C, Windows, Program Files folder. Create desktop shortcut. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.